Trainual review, an in-depth review about the software. Introduction. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Trainual. We will explore what Trainual is, its features, the pros and cons, pricing, and everything you need to know to decide if Trainual is the right fit for you. So let's get started. What is Trainual? Trainual is like that friendly coach you wish you had when onboarding new employees or documenting processes within your organization. It's a software platform designed to streamline your training processes, making them more efficient and less of a headache. Founded in 2018, Trainual has been steadily gaining popularity as a training and onboarding solution. Features of Trainual. Let's kick things off with what's great about Trainual. 1. Streamlined onboarding. Trainual provides a user-friendly platform for creating, organizing, and delivering training materials. This makes onboarding new team members a breeze. 2. Process documentation. It's excellent for documenting your business processes, from the simplest tasks to the most complex workflows. This helps maintain consistency and ensures that everyone follows the same procedures. 3. Accessibility. Training is cloud-based, so, so your team can access training materials from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility is a big plus in today's remote, more remote-friendly work environment. 4. Easy customization. You can tailor your training content to fit your organization's specific needs. This flexibility allows you to create a unique training experience. 5. Integration. Trainual plays well with others. It offers integration with popular tools like Slack, Zapier, and Google Workspace, allowing you to connect your training processes with your existing workflow. Cons of Trainual. Now let's talk about some of the downsides you should be aware of. 1. Pricing. While Trainual offers a lot of value, it's not the cheapest option out there. The pricing can be a bit steep, especially for small business or startup on a tight budget. 2. Learning curve. Like any software, Trainual has a learning curve. It might take some time for you and your team to get fully comfortable with the platform and all its features. 3. Limited free trial. The free trial period is quite limited, so as you might feel rushed to explore all the features before making a decision. Pricing of Trainual. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of Trainual's pricing. This is often a critical factor in deciding if a software is the right for your business. Trainual offers tiered pricing, and it's primarily based on the number of users you need. Here's a rough breakdown. Essentials. This plan starts at around $99 per month, and it includes basic features, suitable for small teams. Pro. The Pro plan, at around $160 per month, adds more advanced features and is designed for growing teams. Premium. The Premium plan, priced around $217 per month, unlocks all features and is ideal for larger organizations. Do keep in mind that these prices are subject and can change based on your specific requirements. Also, Training occasionally runs promotions or offer discounts, so keep an eye out for those. How does Training work? Now let's break down how Training works in a nutshell. 1. Content creation. You start by creating content. This can include text, images, videos, and documents. You organize these materials into subjects and topics. 2. User management. Next, you invite your team members to Trainio and assign them roles. You can create custom roles to control access and permissions. 3. Training. User access that training materials through a user-friendly dashboard. They can mark tasks as complete, and you can track their progress. 4. Updates. As your business evolves, you can easily update your training materials to keep everything current. 5. Reporting. Trainual provides reporting tools to help you track your team's progress and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Trainual alternatives. Now let's briefly touch some alternatives to Trainual. 1. Tovuli. Tovuli is another training and onboarding platform that offers a wide range of features, including content creation, quizzes, and reporting. 2. Lessonly. Lessonly focuses on creating an engaging and interactive training content. It's known for its user-friendly interface. 3. Teachable. Teachable is more geared towards creating and selling online courses. It's excellent if you're looking to monetize your training materials. Conclusion. So there you have it, a comprehensive overview of Trainual, what it offers, its pros and cons, pricing, and a glimpse at some alternatives. Whether you should go for Trainual or explore other options depends on your specific needs, budget, and how you prefer to manage your team's training and onboarding. Thanks for watching. Remember, choosing the right software is a critical decision for your business. So take your time, try out the free trial if available, and drive your options carefully. And that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more reviews and business insights. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.